Hey people, so there is this one. Yesterday I was watching Amazon Prime after long. I normally don't watch it, and there is this movie called Malyaylam film called Ishq, Ishq, like ISHKQ, whatever, Ishq it's called, and these days the storylines are becoming like so like modern. Like it's all about this young college going couple who decide to just generally have some fun together. Like their idea is to spend the evening together. Like yeah, when I was in college all these things wouldn't happen, like totally वो ज़माना अलग था. अभी तो college के बच्चे are like planning midnight rendezvous. So basically they get caught in a car together, and then the movie proceeds from there. So it for those of you all wanting to learn the Malayalam language, this is a good film, because basically you'll be reading subtitles and trying to understand what is happening, but it is the lead pair is quite cute. So try and catch it, people. It's called Ishq and it's on Amazon Prime. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe. Like I said, I have a class in 8 minutes, so I'm like all running. So thanks for watching, people.